Hey, welcome back. In today's video we are trying to put our footings and foundations and correct them and the wall foundations for our foundation, okay, level. So before adding our foundations, I would like to have these openings in my first and second floor. What I'm going to do is that I can take it from here. 1 minute. Yep. And this one, control. And when we go to the ground floor, let's see if it's correctly selected. Yep. Control C, Control C. Go to the first floor and Control V. Try to match it to here, to the dashed line. Click. Now it's an opening. Can we extend this? Yes. Something like this. Or maybe a little bit. Let's align it. Align with this. And yep, it's true. And let's align it with here. Let me AL and it will be aligned. Okay, so I'm going to the ground to see what's the mistakes here. Nothing. Let's go to the second floor and do the same thing. Control V and let's add it here. I added it here. Let me just grab it like this. Alt AL and everything is done. Yep. And let's go to the 3D. And now we can see our opening. See? But we want to make it not too high. Let's make it to 200. Yep. Let's make it 200 because the floor height of this level is very low. Let me select and make it 200. Yep, it's true. So this was how we had an opening. So let's go to the to see our foundation. I think we have the columns extended because there is no column of this interior going down. But while here, this column is sitting on this. But what about the other column? Is it sitting on this floor? Nope. We should have extended this. So I'm going to select this 3. Why not this? Because this is sitting on the foundation wall. Okay, not this, not this, not this. Okay, and not these because we don't have any column here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm saying base level B till the top of foundation. And let's go to the 3D. Yep, this is what we want. I want to add some footing to it. So I'm going to the structure. So I'm going to the foundation panel and I'll say isolated. So this is for the columns. Oh, okay. This is special for the columns. So click on it. It says that no structure foundations family is loaded in the project. Would you like to load one now? Because this is an architecture project and we didn't have any structure template, so it asks us that we didn't load for you the structural foundation of families. Would you like to add it? I'll say yes. So I'll go to the metric library and I'll go to the structural foundations and we will have this one. These are the types. Okay, this is M footing rectangular. I'll choose this one, go with it. Actually we can place it here in the 3D it will be you can make it accurate, but I would like to add it in the top of foundation. And I'll go to the underlay. I cannot see any I can't see the foundation actually, but let's not see the ground floor. Okay, let me just uncheck none, and now we see the columns that we were extended. So I'll click on it, and we have many types. We have this one, 1800 by 1200 by 450 millimeter is the height. Okay, this one is the length and width and the height, or the depth. Actually, for the structure is depth. Okay, so maybe I'm going with this one. Let me see. Okay, as you can see, I cannot see it, but let's place it in the center. Just click on it, and it says none of the created elements are visible in floor plan. Top of foundation view, you might want to check the active view at its parameters and visible setting, as well as any plan regions and their settings. Actually, we cannot see it. If we go to the 3D, we can see it, but the problem is I want to see it here. Okay, so the underlay will not do the job if I want to see the down. So I'm going to the extents and view range. You can go to the view range or VR. It will bring this table or window for us. So I'm saying the bottom because I want to see the bottom. So I say unlimited. It says view depth. I say unlimited. So if I click on it, and I can see my footing. Okay, I can just copy this, or I can again go to the structure and foundation panel, isolated, and this will be activated. So I'll click on this, so the column is now resting on this foundation. Okay, so let me go to the top of foundation, and we want to have structural foundation. The shortcut for it is FD. This is a foundation that the wall sits on it. It's hosted by walls. Actually, but this one adds footings or piles caps to the building model. Okay, it's attached to the bottom of the columns. This one, but we will go with the wall foundation or structural foundation. This is structural foundation isolated. This is structural foundation for wall. So FT. So now we can see our bearing footing and retaining footing. Actually, I will go with the bearing footing for our project. So now it says select multiple. We can select it. Click, 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 and click. For this part, I have another idea. Okay, so I will go with the slab one, foundation slab. So when I structure foundation slab. Okay, so we have two types: structure foundation slab and floor slab edge. I'll go with the structural foundation slab, which is this one. So I click on it. I can see that I want to know the measurement from here to here. So what I'll go to do, I can go measure between two references, or this one, measure between two references. I'll click on this. Let me see. It's 27.5. So I will go with the rectangle, maybe, and try to sketch it out. It was 27.5, isn't it? If I'm not wrong. So I'll take this dimension, yep, and take it till here, and let's say edit. And as you can see, there's a problem here because this one is thicker. So we should have been doing it from this side. So Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let me click on it, and let's have 27.5 from this dimension till this dimension. Okay, because this was not very thick, we took it from this side. So right now it's perfect. Okay, now right now this is perfect. It's like acting like a foundation slab. It takes all of it and have something like this. But actually this one, it only covers some part, but this one covers the whole building underground. You see, something like this. But actually this is very thin. I think this was 300, the bearing. Yeah, so I would like to have 300, but we have a look. See, this is 150, but I will go to the edit tab. I don't want to edit it on this parameter or properties. I'll just go to the duplicate and I'll say 300. Yep, edit it 30 and okay. And right now this is correct. So we have our foundation done. This is how we added the isolated foundation structure, foundation isolated, foundation walls, foundation slab. Okay, structure foundation wall, structure foundation slab. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.